to calculate the circumference of the given circle. So for example, if we have this circle with a radius of 5 cm, so let's identify first the formula on how to find the circumference. So where c is equal to 2 pi r or pi d. So in this case, since the radius is given, we can use the formula as c is equal to 2 pi r. And let's substitute the value of pi and r. So c is equal to 2 times, where let's say pi is equal to 3.14. So therefore it's 2 times 3.14 times the radius is given, which is 5 cm. So times 5. And then c is equal to 2 times 3.14 times 5 is equal to 31.4 cm. And that is the circumference of this given circle. Okay, that's all. Bye.